family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are making an apple cake. This cake is quick and simple and you're going to make it in 5 minutes. This cake is so good that it melts in your mouth. It is delicious and bursting with flavors of apple. It's soft, it's velvety, and you are going to love it. If you're excited to see this recipe, grab your drink, grab your seat, and let's get into the video. It has been raining the last couple of days, and what better way to enjoy the warmth of your cozy house apart from making a cup of tea and enjoying it with an apple cake. This cake will warm your heart and you are going to love it. So let's get into it. This cake is very easy and delicious, and without further ado, let's get right into it. For this recipe, we are going to use 2 apples. All the ingredients are going to be listed in the description bar below, so you can also check it out and give it a try. Our cake batter is ready and we are on to the good part. Now we have our baking tin ready, oiled and lined up with parchment paper. Now what we are doing is pouring in our cake batter. We tap for excess air to come out, and now our sauteed apples, softened apples with butter and a little bit of lemon, we're gonna organize them up here because yes, this is an apple cake, so we can't miss out on that. And look at the results. And now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on top, you know, just to drip a bit of glass on this cake, and the ultimate taste comes in. Yeah. Our cake is ready, and this is the ultimate taste test. It smells so good, looks so good, and it tastes amazing. This is delicious if served with a cup of tea, coffee, milk, or whatever it is that you like. I hope you enjoy the best part of this month, and happy new month to everyone. I can't wait to continue giving you more and more fun content so that we can continue interacting. Please subscribe to this channel, comment, rate this video on a scale of 1 to 10, and let me know what you think. Let me also know what you want to see on this channel, because your wish is my command. Enjoy your seasons, enjoy the rain, keep warm, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.